There's only one step left to go, but for using the dataset, it's one of the most important. In addition to being an access portal for datasets, the Health Data Nexus also includes a cloud-based analytics environment where you can do all your coding, algorithm building, and data analysis. The data on the platform is only available for use in this environment and cannot be directly downloaded or saved onto your local machine. The analytics environment uses Google Cloud resources for account creation and billing. This means that by following these steps, you'll create a new Google profile in addition to your Health Data Nexus account. Make sure you're logged into this Google account whenever you want to use the Health Data Nexus analytics platform. Let's navigate over to the research environments page. My first step is to create a Google profile. I'll include a password for this account. Make sure you write this down or save it securely so you don't forget it, and a recovery email address. For convenience, I'll make this the same email that I used to sign up for the platform. This will take a few minutes to set up, but once it's been created, I'll have an active Google account with an @healthdatanexus.ai address. Now, when I go to the billing tab, I'll have a link that instructs me to set up a billing account associated with this email address. I'll follow this link and complete the steps as instructed on screen in order to set up my billing account, providing my billing address and credit card information. If you have an existing Google account, as I do, you may need to log out of it and into your new account. Remember, your account name is your username on the Health Data Nexus, followed by @healthdatanexus.ai. For me, that's January Adams Tutorial at healthdatanexus.ai. And my password is the one that I set earlier. This is where I'll put in my credit card information. I'll pause here and allow you to continue. Now that I've arrived on this screen, I know that I've followed the steps correctly. I now have access to a usable billing ID associated with my Health Data Nexus account.